Welcome to Day 7. Today, we're learning useful grocery store phrases that you can use in real life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and keep building your English step by step. Where is the basket? Where is the basket? Where's the basket? Do you have fresh vegetables? Do you have fresh vegetables? Do you have fresh vegetables? Where can I find the milk? Where can I find the milk? Where can I find the milk? Is this on sale today? Is this on sale today? Is this on sale today? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Do you have any fresh bread? Do you have any fresh bread? Do you have any fresh bread? Where is the frozen section? Where is the frozen section? Where's the frozen section? Can you help me find this item? Can you help me find this item? Can you help me find this item? I need a bag of rice. I need a bag of rice. I need a bag of rice. Do you have small carts available? Do you have small carts available? Do you have small carts available? Excuse me, is this the right price? Excuse me, is this the right price? Excuse me, is this the right price? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Do you have a loyalty card? Do you have a loyalty card? Do you have a loyalty card? Can I get a bag, please? Can I get a bag, please? Can I get a bag, please? Do you have any more of this? Do you have any more of this? Do you have any more of this? Where is the washroom? Where is the washroom? Where is the washroom? Can you check the stock for me? Can you check the stock for me? Can you check the stock for me? I only need one more item. I only need one more item. I only need one more item. Thank you for your help today. Thank you for your help today. Thank you for your help today. Great work today. Keep practicing these phrases and your English will improve step by step.